Really quick, I wanted to go over what I have. This is one of my go-to snacks when I'm counting calories. Caramel rice cakes. I got some low-calorie bread, little Kaiser rolls, chickpeas, some Mike's Hot Honey Chips, some kettle chips, some applesauce, some light mayonnaise because I'm a condiments girl, so I can't give it all up. I got a bunch of produce. I have mandarins, onions, romaine lettuce, some red potatoes. I have some golden delicious apples, sweet potatoes, grapes, broccolini. I have some key limes to put in my water daily, bananas. I got fries. I have a bunch of chicken. I have 2 bags of the thin chicken breasts. I have a big pack of the big chicken breasts, and this is a 4-pack steak. I want to me and my daughter are going to make for breakfast one morning with soft boiled eggs or whatever we decide to make. Today I'm going to be making a few things for the household since I'm not the only one on this eating in a deficit lifestyle. So I like to make different foods just for us to have throughout the week. So that's what I'll be doing in this video today. So thanks for watching. Full speed, so full that belly in. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the deep. All because so I want to make a couple meals for the week, whether we eat it for lunch or dinner. And I'm starting with this one. I had, what is this, 6 chicken legs left over from when I made the curry chicken from my last video. And so I'm going to start by baking this, and then I'm going to move on to my chicken breast and put it in the crock pot. My chicken is out of the oven, and I separated the juice so that I can make a little gravy to add, because I'm going to probably do rice and veggies and just have that as one meal for this week. So yeah, let me finish getting this together. I'm going to throw these back in the oven uncovered so that, you know, it can crisp up just a little bit. Yeah, because I don't like that soggy stuff. I found this recipe on Lemon8. I do not measure out my seasonings, but I will leave all the measurements in the description box if you're interested in this meal. This is the hot honey shredded chicken for sandwiches or tacos. So yeah, I'll leave that in the description box. Please, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. All time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Told me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Told me, fly you out the beach. Full speed, so full that belly in. Told me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. So the chicken is done. As you can see, I've already started shredding it. Y'all, it smells so good. It's so juicy, and the flavor is just there. So yeah, it's really good. We're just gonna try it on sandwiches. Y'all, although this sandwich was so good, I do not recommend using the Kaiser rolls we have. Just because the bread got soggy too fast, but they were so good. My daughter decided to add a tablespoon of barbecue sauce to hers. We didn't add the coleslaw and lettuce and doing it a little plain, but she enjoyed it. What you think? So 9 times out of 10, I'm always going to have some lettuce cut up and cleaned and available for salads. You know, that's just always one of my go-tos in case someone wants to make a salad. There's so much you can do with salad and, you know, different proteins you can use. So I always like to have that available as a part of my meal preps. So yeah, I love me a good salad. And guys, don't forget that paper towel to keep your salad nice and fresh and crunchy in a container with a top. So yeah, guys, this is how I meal prep sometimes when I'm making multiple meals. Since I'm not the only one in a household on a journey, I just like to have foods available for us to go for. And just things for us to have that is lower in calories and to make it easier for us to stay in our calorie deficit without worrying about having to find something to eat. Moving forward, I will be doing videos where I just meal prep for myself, like a more traditional meal prep. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.